are continuing with the Halloween series. Here is the page which I printed out. You can print it out as well. I have a link down below for you to download it if you want. So yeah, these are the words that I just added, and the same words I printed out again and added in this beautiful little tin. So let's see what the prompt will be for today. Oh yeah, the prompt for today is fortune teller, which I love. I really love tarot and oracle cards since ever, so this is perfect. As always, I'm choosing the page that I want, but before that I wanted to show you the little tag from my first video. I will link it down below for you. And I forgot to film the little journaling that I've done and the tag that I've done. So here it is. I have my little accordion with all the pictures and all the stuff that I want to use for Halloween. And I'm just choosing the images that I want to work on. And I really love this image. It's like a fortune teller gypsy and it's so pretty. And I'm just grabbing some book pages that I have. I have these book pages from a magic book. And I also have book pages from that has tarot and stuff like that on it. I love this little chalice, this little cup. And of course I love the other page as well. I'm trying to gather a bit more ephemera. And after I have the two pages that I want to work on, I'm gluing it to the page and start collaging. I'm choosing the first images I want to work on, and I really love this gypsy image. But before that, I'm gathering some more ephemera and some more pages. So I grabbed my little box full of scraps and everything that I usually put in here, leftovers. I have some labels in here, stickers in here as well. I'm gathering a bit more labels that I've printed out. And I really love this sticker, but before that I really want to have something in the background of it. So I'm just gluing a label and I'm adding the sticker. I'm fuzzy cutting around this beautiful image. also adding the little prompt from today, just to have a reminder of what I've done. I'm adding another sticker, and I did a little reading. Well, I did 2 reading, but this one was just about my work and YouTube for October, and I really love how everything turned out, and so I wanted to add this in my journal, and now I'm collaging the rest of the page. Before I'm gluing this beautiful hand image, I wanted to distress it a bit. And I have these beautiful images that I've got in my Happy Mail. But before I use them, I really love this image, and I just fuzzy cut around it and added them at the top. This is the 2 cups. I'm grabbing my washi tapes, and I'm just adding some washi tape at the bottom of the page just to give it a bit more color and make it a little more Halloweenish. I'm distressing another image that I've loved and a label. And now I'm adding this beautiful image of this woman. And now I'm still searching for something to put my reading, like a little envelope or a clear bag. So I found this one. I think this one came in a Happy Mail as well. So I'm just adding double-sided tape, and I'm adding it quickly onto the page. And I'm folding my reading and adding it inside. It's a bit bulky, but I don't mind that. And I quickly go to the next page because I feel very inspired to continue. So I grabbed this little old magazine paper, which is not real. I printed it out. And again, I'm just trying to figure out what pages I want to use and what ephemera I want to use. And I really love this simple book page that says you're magical, and this beautiful image. I'm grabbing some washi tape, again just to give it a bit more Halloweenish and festive look, and give a bit more color. After that, I am just distressing a bit the image. And I'm just starting to collage the other page as well. I'm searching for a bit more pages and scraps to use. After I gathered a few things, I'm adding this beautiful label at the top and starting to add a bit more scraps here and there. I love this number 13 and I thought it was fitting for the Halloween. I also have a book. I think I showed this book a few times, but if I can find it, I will link it down below for you. And it's a beautiful book about it has many images in there. And I love this image. I don't know what it's called, I don't remember. But I love this image so much. It looks so scary and eerie, so I really wanted to add this as well. I'm adding this beautiful butterfly, but I'm distressing it. And I'm adding, just to give it a bit more dirty look, not like a distressed vintage look. And I'm adding a label. And again, I'm adding another image that I have. And a bit more scrap of a label that I had. And yeah, that is it. I really, really love how this page turned out. And the first page as well. They are very simple collaging, but yeah, I really love how they turned out. I love the little reading that I've made. I made another reading, but it was much more personal, so I didn't add it here. But this one came really, really good for my work and for YouTube, so I hope it will come true. And yeah, that is it. I love both pages so much, and let me know in the comment below what page you like the most, and if you're participating in this Halloween series, use the hashtag and let me know so I can follow and even show it in my stories. So I will see you in my next video, but until then, bye!